I'm being ordained on Saturday, so I'm being ordained to the priesthood. I was ordained as a deacon a year ago. This afternoon, I'm going off on retreat. A lot of time for stillness, for reflection, lots of kind of unguided time where we can do whatever we want, go for a walk, morning prayer, a Eucharist, evening prayer and Compline on each of the days, various talks, all related to ordination and being a priest to help us to kind of guide our own reflections. The other thing that I'll be preparing for is my first Eucharist on the Sunday morning. So I'll spend some of the time on the retreat practicing, have to find something to use as a chalice and paten, find a quiet corner where I can practice the movements and the words for that as well. But I think for me it'll be the quiet times when I can go off for a walk and just sort of be on my own and prepare myself.